Hello and welcome to the India Voice Fest podcast. I'm Darpan, the founder and curator of India's biggest voiceover and dubbing industry event. आज हमारे साथ हैं one of the sweetest people in the voice acting industry of India. The half, or rather one half of the sweetest power couple in the localization industry, someone who started off as a child artist and today is one of the leaders of the localization industry of India, who runs one of the most successful companies in our industry. We have with us Rajshri Sharma from Audio Magic. Hi, Rajshri.
Hi, Darpan. What a wonderful introduction.
I try.
Thank you so much. Means a lot.
So lovely to have you here. Rajshri and me go back a long way as friends and as colleagues, as voice artists. But today she's here in her position as one of the founders, one of the leaders running Audio Magic. Rajshri, Tarun and you have been running Audio Magic for decades now. I want to know, since this is the India Voice Fest podcast, what is it about India Voice Fest that you think makes it very special for today's generation of artists and voice industry professionals?
So, Darpan, you already said it. The three magical words. India's Voice Fest. एक तो जहाँ voice आता है, वहाँ हमेशा हमारा ध्यान तो जाता है because हम आवाज से ही जुड़े हैं. We're connected to the voice industry in many different ways, the sound industry. So you said it yourself. Voice और फेस्ट ट्रांसलेट्स टू फेस्टिवल. तो हम आवाज़ों का जश्न मना रहे हैं एंड इट्स इंडियाज वॉइस फेस्ट. तो इससे अच्छी बात क्या है? सो दैट मेक्स अस connect deeply to the event, to your vision, and we're very happy and proud to be a part of this.
And likewise, Rajshri, Tarun and you have been an integral part of the journey of India Voice Fest. This is the 8th year. And how excited are you? It's happening over 2 days this time on the 13th and 14th of December at a new smashing venue, the Bal Gandharv Auditorium in Bandra. And everyone from the industry is looking forward to seeing their favorite stars, including yourself. So how excited are you in terms of preparation? Is your red carpet look ready?
I'm always red carpet ready.
I can see that.
I'm very, very excited. We plan ahead कि हमारा होने वाला है India Voice Fest. तो हम क्या पहनेंगे, कैसे दिखेंगे? Me and Tarun, I try to coordinate with him. उनको ज़्यादा interest नहीं होता. But मैं उनको mostly I plan things for him also, and we see to it that we at least आपके India Voice Fest में हम सही दिखाई दें.
Absolutely. I think the word I loved the most in this sentence was Hamare India Voice Fest. When I started on this dream project, this movement, one of the pillars was to make it very inclusive, so that जो भी India Voice Fest में आते हैं उन्हें लगे कि ये हमारा India Voice Fest है, and that's a fact. शुरुआत शायद मैंने की थी, पर आज ये हम सबका India Voice Fest बन चुका है.
बिल्कुल. और आपने कहा भी 8 साल, तो मैं थोड़ा सा आपको एस्ट्रोलॉजी के बारे में भी बता देती हूँ. 8 शनि का नंबर होता है.
करेक्ट.
और कहते हैं कि हमें कर्मों का फल मिलता है. तो ये आपके कर्मों का फल है कि अब आप उस ऑडिटोरियम में कर रहे हैं जो आपने शायद सालों पहले कोई विजन देखा था, वो अब पूरा होने वाला है. एंड वी आर ऑल गोइंग टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस. सो इट्स ब्रिलियंट. यानी आई मीन यू रीपिंग द what do you call
the benefits of all the hard work I think all of us have put in. I always believe that it is never a single man's journey. All of us, it takes a village to raise a child, and it took the entire industry, especially leaders like yourself, Tarun, and so many of my other dear friends who are stalwarts in their own right, but who have played a very, very big role in the shape that India Voice Fest has taken. Rajshri, Audio Magic is such a leading localization company. You've taken a very bold step some time back. You guys have moved into an independent building, which I was jokingly referring to as your castle. So talk to us about Audio Magic and about your plans for the future.
So Audio Magic is a passionate journey, just like yours. It was conceived in a small room. We thought about Audio Magic, me, my father-in-law, and Tarun, all of us together. Of course, they were into the business of studios even before I stepped in. But when I stepped in, I brought in the localization angle to their whole business because they were into Bollywood, a lot of Bollywood and sound entirely. So again, localization is sound. It's speaking in other languages. It's dubbing. So different kinds of things came together. I brought different expertise. Tarun himself is an IT engineer. and also closely related to sound because of my father-in-law. Of course, you know about him. He is an FTII graduate. So all of us together, we started Audio Magic, and when we started, we didn't actually think about हम क्या करेंगे, like as you said, कोई castle बन जाएगा या कोई building में हम कर लेंगे. But we just worked hard, very, very passionately, brought all things together, brought all good things together. And that is, I think, what translated into today's Audio Magic. The people know about it. Also about the building and spaces, because Tarun comes from a technical background, he's very particular about studios, the way they should be. So most of the times I've come across people कि अरे यार क्या पैसे मिल रहे हैं आपको क्यों ये अच्छा करके देना है और whatever, just बोल दो, एक माइक लगा लो, बोल दो. But he's like नहीं, मेरी चीज़ तो सही होनी चाहिए. So what I'm offering has to be the best. And then I can talk about the rest. पहले अपना घर ठीक कर लो और फिर बाद में आप दूसरों की बात करो. So that's where it came from. हम हमेशा सोचते थे कि बॉम्बे में हाइट नहीं है एंड स्पेशियस रूम्स नहीं मिलेंगे, अपना हर चीज़ को एक स्पेसिफिक जगह नहीं मिलेगी. So we decided, no, it's all going to be about open spaces. It's going to be about the right kind of acoustics, the right kind of studios. So वो सोचते गए, मैं बस साथ देती गई, and कभी मैं सोचती हूँ तो वो साथ दे देते हैं, and that's how it has translated into what you've called the dream building today.
Absolutely. I've been there, and I must tell all of you who are watching, Mumbai mein to have a studio itself is such a big thing, and to have a multi-story office building with multiple studios, with multiple other areas, and a huge preview theater, it is nothing short of a dream. And what is very, very endearing about Rajashri and very, very infectious, which the whole industry knows, she's one of the sweetest, humble, grounded people. And Tarun, who complements her, who completes her, Tarun Sharma, himself is a very, very grounded, down-to-earth person. Meeting them, even if you meet them for the first time, it seems like you're meeting friends, you're meeting decade-old friends. So which I think is very, very special about the both of you.
Thank you.
You mentioned about B.N. Sharma ji, the late Shri B.N. Sharma ji. He's a Filmfare Award-winning sound engineer. What are his values that guide you and Tarun even today as you run Audio Magic and as you scale it to new heights?
So one simple thing which he always said is, there's no substitute for hard work and there's no shortcut to success. ये कुछ और अगर आपको कोई चीज़ जल्दी भी मिल जाती है, so you have to be prepared to keep it. Once you achieve success, it's one milestone to get there, and then it's another milestone to keep it, and then to keep it going ताकि वो आपके साथ जुड़ा रहे. And जुड़ा कब रहेगा? Because he always used to say, this industry is made up of artists. It's made up of voices. Yeah. Because we are talking about sound here, he always revered artists in the capacity of a mix engineer, I'm not just referring to voice artists, I'm referring to musicians, I'm referring to technicians who work. So according to him, each and every person is an artist. That is what even Tarun keeps telling me. Even I'm an artist. So everyone, their creative instincts come together, and that's what makes a product.
Yeah.
बिकॉज हम जब कोई मूवी देखते हैं वी गेट इमोशनली अटैच टू इट, हमारी भावनाएं उसके साथ में जुड़ती हैं, इट कम्स आउट इन अ डिफरेंट वे, एंड टू काइंड ऑफ रेजोनेट विद पीपल, गिव देम दीज इमोशंस व्हेन यू आर डबिंग इनटू लैंग्वेजेस इज अ ह्यूज थिंग. अगर कोई तेलुगु मूवी आप तमिल में भी देख के उतना ही आपको दुख हो रहा है और आप रो रहे हैं, विच मीन्स ये हमारी जीत है. सो ही ऑलवेज सेड कि आर्टिस्ट, हमेशा आप रिस्पेक्ट कीजिए आर्टिस्ट की और वैल्यू टाइम. अगर किसी ने आपको वक्त दिया, यहाँ हम बुकिंग ही तो करते हैं दिन भर स्टूडियो में, आप अपना समय दीजिए, दर्पण जी आप अवेलेबल हैं, कैन आई बुक यू फॉर एन आवर, इस तरह से. तो अगर हम आपका सम्मान नहीं करेंगे, किसी म्यूजिशियन का सम्मान नहीं करेंगे जो अपना टाइम दे के हमारे पास आ रहा है, तो वो हमारी हार होगी. एंड इवन व्हेन ही यूज्ड टू इन द लास्ट डेज दैट ही लिव्ड, he was not very active work-wise, but always he would come to the studio, and if someone was waiting, he would always ask, आप क्यों रुके हैं? अच्छा. आपको किस टाइम पे बुलाया गया था? And then he would ask कि इनको क्यों बैठाया गया है? ये क्यों बैठे हुए हैं? So you know those kind of things. And he always said कि आप अपना काम करते जाओ, आपको फल मिलता जाएगा. And then आगे की सोचो कि इसको आगे बढ़ाएं कैसे. Always don't stagnate in one place. वो भी एक चीज़ वो कहा करते थे. So I think those things we've...
Absolutely. I think these are great values to pass on. One is that do not let success make you complacent.
True.
क्योंकि हमारी industry में आजकल the kind of times we are living in,
Yes.
it is far more easier to get success than to sustain it.
True.
So to have the right values and to be grounded is very important to sustain success, as you rightly said. And obviously, it is amazing to know that respecting talent is a legacy or is a value system of your father-in-law, Tarun's dad, B.N. Sharma ji, that you guys are taking ahead. And I think that is very heartening. Because you and me both, before we are entrepreneurs or before we are media entrepreneurs, we are artists.
Yes.
And nothing gives us more happiness than to see companies respecting talent. Rajshri, since we are talking about being an artist, this is something that I even asked Mona during my conversation with her earlier, Mona Shetty from Sound and Vision, who herself is also a terrific voice talent.
Absolutely.
I want to ask you, Rajshri, you've been a voice talent since you were a little girl.
Yeah.
And today you are a thoroughbred localization producer. Would you rather be a voice artist or be a localization producer?
Oh, you got me there. So I dwindle between the two. So I already made a statement earlier. All of us are artists. I'll still say, though I'm a localization producer, I'm still an artist at heart. And whatever I do, being a director is also being an artist. And I think when I wear the producer hat, I always don't forget to wear my artist hat inside so that I can think that way. Being an artist and being a producer and how to blend the two. I think that's the biggest thing that I've learned. How to manage things, how to wear different hats. Some part will take prominence. Kisi jagah you need to be a little more of a producer. So I'll say अगर मैं एक pie chart बनाती हूँ तो उसमें producer, director, artist, फिर operations executive, थोड़ा सा admin, थोड़ा सा managerial skills सारे होंगे. कभी कोई ज़्यादा prominence ले लेता है, कभी कुछ और prominence ले लेता है. When I'm sitting in a studio directing, तो वो मेरा 80% होगा. And जब बाहर आ जाऊंगी तो फिर से वो प्रोड्यूसर बन गई हूँ. क्या चल रहा है, यहाँ क्या चल रहा है, वहाँ क्या चल रहा है.
I wish I could take this from you. My team at Sugar Medias would be very happy because their common complaint is that I'm always an artist first than a producer, an audio content producer. हमारे यहाँ पर Sugar Medias में बड़ी दिक्कत रहती है that I always tell them that I'm in the artist camp. And they are like, कभी तो हमारे बन के रहो. So I really want to take this from you to be able to wear these multiple hats efficiently. It's amazing.
करते हैं, आप अच्छी तरह से करते हैं.
No, I am a very terrible businessman. I'm always happy to be
I agree.
to be on the side of the artist. Whoever works with us, I'm always on their side. But it is very important, the kind of company that you're running, that Tarun and you are running, it is very important to have this balance. So that's amazing. Rajshri, you've been around forever now. And in many ways, you've seen the entire transition of the industry, good, bad, whatever it is. So what do you think, if I had to ask you one thing that the industry, that the localization industry has today, which you think is a great thing from the earlier days, and one thing that you think should improve about our industry? Let's start with the improvement first. What do you think should improve in times to come?
I think opportunities, more opportunities to new people.
You think we should be having more opportunities?
Absolutely.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Is that an issue today?
See, we have a set of voice artists.
Okay.
As we spoke earlier, सब अपने zone में comfortable हो जाते हैं. All of us, we're comfortable in our own zones. I know there is a certain project and I know who I want for the project and I'm very, very comfortable. But when someone comes and asks, because generally clients ask, we want new voices.
Correct.
And people want to listen to new voices. So ऐसा तो हुआ नहीं कि इंडस्ट्री में कोई नया आया ही नहीं. नए चेहरे आते हैं बॉलीवुड में, नए सिंगर्स आते हैं, तो हमारे यहाँ भी नए वॉइस आर्टिस्ट आएंगे ही. बट वन मेजर चैलेंज आई सी इज द डर्थ ऑफ राइटर्स एंड डबिंग डायरेक्टर्स. ये इतना थैंकलेस हो चुका है. वी टेक दीज थिंग्स फॉर ग्रांटेड सो मच कि नहीं हम डबिंग में कर लेंगे, आर्टिस्ट लाइन्स बदल देंगे, ये होगा. नहीं, दिस इज अ वेरी क्रिएटिव थिंग. And I think improvement यहाँ होना चाहिए. We need more training programs and more awareness about these kind of jobs. Also, There are other operational responsibilities. There's a project manager who coordinates everything. There's a scheduler जो artists का time set करते हैं. All these professions are lesser known professions and they are not respected enough. मुझे तो यही लगता है.
I think what you're saying, I'm so happy you're saying this because somebody had to say it. It reminds me of the earlier days when radio anchoring was a big thing.
True.
And I would tell people that for any radio station, they will have 4 to 5 on-air presenters, but there will be 50 to 100 people working in different sections: music management, operations, finance, sales, client servicing, programming. Each of these today are independent professions in the radio industry.
Yes.
So people have realized that gradually, and not everyone is running after becoming a radio anchor. Usi tarah, when it comes to localization or dubbing industry, do not think that being a voice artist is the only profession.
Right.
It might seem like you are the face, of the project, but the fact is, like Rajshri very correctly said, being a dubbing director, creative director, scheduler, a language adapter, writer, as we call them, all these, or being in accounts or being in operations, all these are independent professions. And
Absolutely.
if people who are watching, if you're looking at becoming a part of the localization industry, please, you've heard it from one of the most influential people in the localization industry. Please train your thoughts, train your time, and invest your time in understanding what your strength is. ये बिल्कुल जरूरी नहीं है कि आपकी स्ट्रेंथ एक वॉइस एक्टर की ही हो.
Right.
अगर नहीं होने के बावजूद भी, you can still be an integral part of the industry. Just explore all options. And yes, you rightly said that we need more organized training programs, structured training programs,
Yes.
to train people into stuff like voice direction, writing for localization. So bang on. I hope in times to come we see more work in that area.
Yes, and people choosing those avenues, the lesser known avenues. But without those, we can't function. काम ही नहीं complete होगा. So they complete the entire cycle.
Absolutely.
So they're equally important and equally as much a part of the voice industry as the artists.
Absolutely. And I know that Audio Magic has been conducting a lot of training programs, organizing community events. So between training programs that you conduct to look for great aspiring voices, and at this junction, I must tell everyone that Audio Magic has also been a very, very strong partner for us for the India Voice Fest Voice Talent Hunt. And it has been a game changer, a catalyst for hundreds of aspiring voices who got an opportunity to audition directly and to get tested, as you might say, at leading production companies, localization companies, including Audio Magic. So I want to know from you, it definitely requires passion to organize these community events, these training programs. How do you handle all this between your core commercial work of being a localization company, and what drives your energy into investing your time in all these things?
All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. वो तो है. हम बस काम ही काम करते रहें. काम के बारे में बात कब करेंगे and enjoy कब करेंगे. So there has to be one day in the year, in the entire year, it's justified, मतलब just one day, जब आप you just let your hair down, you enjoy, you talk to each other, आप डांस करें, खाना खाएं, बस एक informal setup में हम एक दूसरे से मिलते हैं. So that is celebration of voices, where we celebrate voices again. पूरा काम and whatever we've done through the years, it's an industry event, सब आते हैं. And we're really proud and happy कि इस तरह का हम कुछ कर पा रहे हैं, लोगों को पसंद आया है.
बिल्कुल.
We have different themes and we ourselves we look forward to it कि इस बार क्या करेंगे. So there's something to look forward to each year. उतना ही नहीं, you mentioned about training programs. So basically a lot of people would come up to me and ask कि मुझे voicing करनी है, मुझे ये करना है, मुझे वो करना है, कैसे करें. So people from remote cities would call and say मैं 17 साल का हूँ या मैं 15 साल की हूँ और मुझे ये काम करना है. So I would think कि हम ये इसको कैसे, and then Tarun and me we thought चलो एक ऐसा ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम ही बनाते हैं जो एक सेशन होगा wherein सिर्फ वॉइसिंग के बारे में नहीं, हम उनको दूसरे एस्पेक्ट्स के बारे में भी बताएंगे. राइटिंग, डायरेक्शन, जैसा मैंने पहले कहा. एंड दिस ईयर वी आर गोइंग टू बी टॉकिंग अबाउट रिकॉर्डिंग इंजीनियर्स एज वेल, because that is one avenue again जो हम explore कर सकते हैं.
Absolutely.
So it's basically a training program. That's why we've called it आवाज़ों का मेला again, Carnival of Voices, जहाँ पर anything and everything about the localization industry लोग आके जान सकते हैं. There are a lot of people who are not aware. तो वो अगर आके बैठते हैं तो उन्हें लगता है ओ देयर आर दीज वर्कशॉप ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स. क्योंकि कई लोगों का ये होता है कि कुछ सिखा दो कि हम लिखें कैसे, कुछ सिखा दो हम डायरेक्शन में क्या करें.
Correct.
So it's a structured program जिसमें there's just learning. सुबह से लेके शाम तक आप और mentors से, उन लोगों से आप सीखेंगे who are veterans in their own field. चाहे वो राइटिंग हो, चाहे वो वॉइसिंग हो, चाहे वो ये अब हम रिकॉर्डिंग इंजीनियर्स का करेंगे वो भी. तो बेसिकली इट्स अ ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम फॉर द होल इंडस्ट्री. आप आइए विद सम नॉमिनल फी, यू कैन ज्वाइन एंड यू कैन सिट थ्रू द होल डे. और आप जब शाम को बाहर निकलेंगे तो आपको डेफिनेटली, इतना तो मैं कहती हूँ कि उनको ये लगेगा कि हाँ मुझे काफ़ी कुछ समझ में आया. एंड देन वी हैव एडवांस ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स related to the same field under AudioMagic Gurukul. Gurukul तो हमारा इंडियन सिस्टम रहा ही है लर्निंग का. And we really believe in teaching. So it's very serious learning.
Yeah.
कि आप क्या करेंगे, कैसे करेंगे. And we are just happy कि लोगों को ये पसंद आ रहा है and people are asking for more and more. So we're just trying to see कि और हम क्या कर सकते हैं.
Absolutely. I think it is high time that leaders like AudioMagic and other companies who are leaders in the space of localization, that they take up the mantle of also preparing the next generation of performing artists and voice industry professionals. And we wish all the best to AudioMagic.
Thank you.
And once again, thank you to AudioMagic for being such an integral and a key collaborator with India Voice Fest over the years. Your support is extremely precious. Why don't you tell everyone, Rajashree, who's watching you, because when a beautiful girl tells people on camera to attend a certain industry event, I think people listen. So please tell everyone to be there at India Voice Fest 2025 on the 13th and 14th of December at the Bal Gandharva Rangamandir in Bandra West, in person, 2 days, historic event. The industry has not seen an event like this in the last 50 years, and we've put in all our blood and sweat. And you can also get to meet Rajashree there. You can get your tickets on indiavoicefest.com. Over to Rajashree to convey this to everyone watching.
So see you there on the 13th and 14th. इस बार और भी बड़ा और भी मजेदार इवेंट होने वाला है. Don't miss it. Get your tickets right now and all of us will be waiting for you there. So see you all.
Lovely. Thank you. Thank you everyone for watching. And it was absolutely lovely having this conversation with you,
Same
Rajashree, in this
lovely.
formal but informal setting.
Lovely talking
Rajashree
to you.
और मैं usually इतने formally बात नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि हम पहले दोस्त हैं और फिर colleagues हैं.
हंसते भी बहुत हैं.
बिल्कुल हंसते बहुत हैं. और राजश्री के साथ अगर आप बैठेंगे थोड़ी भी देर तो आपका खून बहुत बढ़ जाएगा क्योंकि बहुत आप हंसेंगे. और thank you Rajashree, and thank you to Sonal Kaushal for this beautiful setup of the Motormouth studio where we are. And once again, thank you for watching, and I hope to see all of you at India Voice Fest 2025. Till next time, bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.